2000 through 2005 Buick LeSabre. All the switches on the steering wheel work, but this one's looking a little rough. This one's starting to go too on the edges, but it should be fine. We'll throw some clear coat over that, clear coat over the other ones, it should be fine. This one, you can replace the cover of the switch without removing the entire steering wheel. I found this at my local salvage yard. See, it's just a cover on the switch. You're gonna use a pick and be very careful. Be very careful not to gouge your steering wheel. Try this at your own risk. You're going to grab onto the edge of the switch cover and pull. At this point, I'm grabbed onto the edge of the switch's cover. And there you go. And we're gonna pull carefully. Not too much force. Try again. And bam. Be careful not to break these tabs. These are what hold the cover in place. And to put the new cover into position, you're just gonna snap it in. And there you go. Now you can do that with all these switch covers, except for this one. This one you're gonna have to remove the steering wheel to replace. But you can do it with this one, you can do it with these two and this other one. Now I did find something mildly interesting. This one says scan and AFM, or scan AM FM. That neighbor over there is throwing me off. One of the replacements I found says band scan. I found that to be mildly interesting, just a little mildly interesting. Well, that's it for this video. Keep your LeSabre up and running. Have a good day.